Namaste, Khush Robidia. Today's topic is cardiac thoracic surgery in physiotherapy management. Cardiac surgical procedure change respiratory mechanism, defecting in lung dysfunction. Physical therapists play an important role in preparation and rehabilitation of individuals who are undergoing cardiac surgery as they have a large quantity of technique. Breathing exercise with and without the use of device and respiratory muscles training in proper pre-operative period of cardiac surgery in reducing post-operative pulmonary complication. Pre-operative physiotherapy. Physiotherapists prior to your surgery and they will provide education on what is required to facilitate your recovery as smooth as possible. Breathing exercise. Breathing exercises are very important to prevent chest complications after surgery such as chest infection or lung collapse. Practice of deep breathing exercise before the operation, it will be easier to this afterward. Support coughing. After operation, it is important to cough to clear any sputum. The chest wound is supported by holding a pillow or roll up towel firmly against the chest and leaning slightly forward. Physiotherapy post cardiac surgery exercise after the operation. These exercises help to remove the secretion produced from the lung lining after a general anesthetic and which it left in the lungs can lead to pneumonia. Number first, deep breathing exercise. Take 5 deep breath every hours and then huff and cough to clear any phlegm from your lungs. Use spirometer and take 5 breath every hours. Leg exercise. The following exercise increase the blood circulation and assist in preventing clot forming in the leg and chest. Repeat 10 times every hours. Ankle exercise. Move feet up and down at the ankle. Repeat 10 times every hours. Move feet together in circle. Repeat 10 times every hours. Quadricep exercise. Press the back of knee against the bed. Heel should lift off the bed at the same time. Gluteus exercise. Tight your buttocks together, hold for 5 seconds and relax. Straight leg exercise. Lift the leg of the bed, keep knee straight. As well as breathing exercise, physio need to start stretching exercise to prevent stiffness. These need to be done twice daily and are to be done slowly. Extension in sitting. Being sitting tall with your back and neck straight, shoulder back slightly. Gently take your neck backward, looking up towards the until you feel a mild to moderate stretch. Pain free. Repeat 5 times. Rotating in sitting. Being sitting with back and neck straight and shoulder back slightly. Turn head looking over one shoulder until you feel a mild to moderate stretch. Pain free. Keep your neck straight and don't allow your head to poke forward during the movement. Rotation in sitting. Being sitting tall with arm across chest, keeping leg still, gently rotate to one side until feel a mild to moderate stretch that is pain free. Repeat 10 times to each side. Side bend in sitting. Being sitting tall, back straight, hand behind head or neck. Gently bend to one side, moving elbow toward hip until feel a mild to moderate stretch pain free. Make sure you don't lean forward. Repeat 5 times on each side. Shoulder extension. Being standing tall with neck and back straight, gently take an arm backward until feel a mild to moderate stretch pain free. Repeat 5 times. Shoulder flexion. Being standing tall with back and neck straight, gently raise arm forward and up until feel a mild to moderate stretch pain free. Repeat 5 times. Not do not walk if you feel unwell or if the weather inclement. Do not go to heel. Do not take your dog. Do not push heavy shopping trolley. Thank you.